Alright. Hey. So I'm going to show you how to make these raisin oatmeal scones. Actually, it was cranberries on the picture you saw, but you can change the fruits as you want. Raisins, oatmeal is nice. You can use cranberry as well. Very simple. I have flour, regular sugar, butter, water, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, salt, oatmeal and raisins, and then the zest from an orange. So I'm just going to take my flour, dump it straight into the mixer, then my sugar, my spices and baking powders, salt, and also the oatmeals and raisins. Since I just cubed up the butter, I can just drop them in too. This batter is going to be just homogenized, just to make it fine and even. Start my machine off. It's just like making a biscuit, pretty much. You start with your dry. You cut in the butter. And as soon as you get pebbles, like chunks like this from the butter, you can see this. See the flour, just like chunks. You're gonna add your water. So we're just put it back. On low speed, add my water. I just want my batter to come together, that's all. Couple turns, and as soon as the flour, I'm going to show you the picture too. As soon as the flour is mixed in, you can stop the machine. You just don't want to overwork the batter. You don't want to overwork the gluten into this. And this is the way. I'm going to just take the paddle out. I'll show you. This is the way the dough should look like when you have it in your bowl. Can you see that? It's all together. You got small chunks of butter, which is perfect. And what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to take this dough, put it on my parchment paper. Take the rest of the stuff that's inside of the bowl. Just press it out like this. Now, I'm going to take my zester. This is optional. You can put the zest into the batter as well. That's not a big deal. This is just for show. Perfect. The orange flavor is going to give this scone a little bit of a fresher flavor. Like, I like the orange with the raisins and the cinnamon and all this stuff. Alright, and now what I do now, I'm just going to fold this over press it out. This is one turn. I'm just going to do 3 turns on this. Because what happens now, you take in the butter and the layers on top of each other, and that's what's going to make that scone fluffy. Not only the chemical race, because you have baking soda and baking powder, but also because the butter is going to evaporate. I mean, the water, the liquid, the moisture in the butter is going to evaporate and force those layers to press it up, just like a puff pastry. So that's one turn. And then, taking the paper, I'm doing a second turn. Pressing it out again. Just like that. And then I'm doing a third turn. This is where I'm going to let my dough rest. Alright? And that's that. That's your scone batter. So now I'm going to wrap it up in plastic and put it into the fridge for a couple of hours so I can let the butter set. And then we're going to cut them up and then we're going to bake them. Alright? Cool.